still trying to work on that muscle. It's not looking good. Hopefully, it'll get better soon. Thank you for watching.